I want to show you how I make okra soup. You're gonna love this.
It's Chidi in the kitchen. Niger, chef things. Cooking, 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 clicking, licking, clicking.
Don't go anywhere. Don't be in a hurry. Thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna be using all of these ingredients for this okra soup and many more. We're gonna be starting by frying the tomato pepper mixture using just palm oil. So we are going to be frying this for the next 15 to 20 minutes. You want to fry this until it's dried and doesn't taste soured anymore. Now go ahead and add the pre-cooked meat. I'm not going to be adding any extra seasoning to this soup anymore because I've already used a lot of them for the meat, for pre-cooking the meat. And I always advise people to go easy on seasoning. You don't need more than one. You don't need more than one seasoning cube for all of this. As long as you have crayfish, fish, dried fish, all of that, once combined together, they give you a perfect taste. You don't need seasoning. You don't need too much of it. It's not good for your health. Add salt to taste. Add some crayfish. You can notice this already coming together so nicely. Add your cleaned periwinkles. If you don't eat periwinkles, you can skip it. But if you are from Niger Delta, you probably understand. We love periwinkles. So go ahead and add the okra, sliced okra. I used a knife to slice this. This is just how I like it. I like the okra in seed forms. I don't like them ground, and it makes your soup pop. Add your ziza leaves. This gives your soup that perfect aroma that keeps you coming back. I use this just for the aroma. Once you try it, you keep coming back for more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be making several wonderful videos and I'm very sure you are going to love to see them. Thank you for watching. My name is Chef Chidi, signing out.
It's Chidi in the kitchen. Niger, chef things. Cooking, 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 clicking, licking, clicking, talking, thinking, from clicking the kitchen and kitchen to clicking. Fire they burn. Chidi in the kitchen. Fire they burn. Stirring up the magic from dusk till dawn. Jollof rice, egusi, pepper soup on the run with Chidi in the building. Cooking, learning, thinking, talking, cooking, 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 churning.